Hi there! Are you ready to dive into the world of serverless computing with AWS? My name is Florie from Atomic Wombat, and I'm an AWS Solution Architect Professional, certified expert. I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive course on serverless technologies. In this course, you will master the essentials of AWS Lambda, API Gateway, DynamoDB, and S3. We will cover everything you need to know, from key concepts to hands-on practical sessions, so that you can follow along and build real-world serverless applications. We'll start with the basics, ensuring you have a solid foundation in serverless computing. You will learn how to use the AWS Management Console. Then we will dive deeper with the AWS Cloud Development Kit, or CDK, to deploy your infrastructure as code. Through our practical lectures, you will see exactly how to set up and manage your serverless applications. You will have access to all the code used in the course so that you can practice and experiment on your own. But that's not all. I will share my personal tips and tricks to help you navigate AWS more efficiently and make the most out of its powerful tools. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your AWS skills, this course is designed to be easy to follow and packed with valuable information. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence and skills to build and manage your own serverless applications on AWS. So, are you ready to take your career to the next level? Click the Enroll button and let's get started on this exciting journey together. See you inside the course.